Dogs in the maize. Here we are, Paddy and Murphy. We're in a field of maize. There's a pathway around the outside of the field of maize. And believe it or not, we're playing throw the ball and find it in the maize. Who's going to find it? Here it goes. And who's got it? Murphy's got the ball. Yay. Good lad. Come on then, let's go. We're not trampling the maize. They've got a way of weaving through it. Unlike people might be a bit more clumsier, walking through it. The dogs managed to weave through it. Right, I'm going to try a tricky one now. Wait. Gotta look which direction I'm throwing in. Whoosh! Paddy didn't wait and watch to see which direction I was throwing it in, so he's gone too far ahead. Murphy's got it. Murphy's got it. Over here then, Murphy. Good lad. Paddy! Murphy's got it. It's over here, buddy. Paddy! Here he is. Paddy, where's Paddy gone? Where's Paddy gone? See if he pops up again. We can just about see his white head. There's Murphy waiting there as well. Here he comes! He's going to find that one. Who will be victorious? Coming out of the maze with the ball. Oh, it's taken him a bit longer, this one. Paddy came out with it, but he's given it over to Murphy. This gives him something to do, a bit of search and find. Come on boys, let's walk on. Come on, Murph. Right, you ready? Here it comes. Yes, and there's Murphy. He has the ball. Come on then. You let me have it. Good boy. I'm going to throw it backwards this time, make it a bit easier. Wait. Ready, steady. Whoosh! Good boys. And Murphy wins again. You've got to keep an eye on my arm, Paddy. See which direction I'm throwing in. That's the trick. Gives you a head start, mate. Paddy just runs off into nowhere, hoping for the best. He's quite good at finding it though. He's got quite a good nose on him, providing he's within some range of it. Murphy, where are you? There he is. Ready, go! Murphy's straight on that one. See, Murphy, a bit wiser, he watches my arm. See which way I'm going to throw. Saying that, Paddy's come out with it. Paddy, you crafty bugger. Your nose won that game. It was nose over eyes that time. That was one of my I was building. They get knocked over quite often. People like to kick them over. Hey, watch them flee. There's no other way. There's no other way. All that you can do is watch them play. Acres and acres and acres of maize. Isn't it amazing? What have you done with it? Who's got the ball then? Who's got the ball? No good asking me to find it. You got the ball? Paddy's got it. Got it there, mate? Good boy. It's green, you see. It's green and I'm a human being. Right. Ready? I'll throw it into that lower growing patch. Whoosh! And here comes Buddy. Buddy's got it. Come on, Murphy, let's go. Get this lesser hogweed plant all going to seed. Little flat seeds. Food for the birds and what falls to the ground. Maybe a few mice or whatever nibble on them, I don't know. And whatever doesn't get eaten, maybe it will germinate and grow more hogweed. Hey Paddy! Paddy, where's the ball gone? Oh, Murphy's got it! God blimey. Cuts through the hedge. Go on, Paddy, go through. Oh, I forgot to check on one of my other stone piles. Never mind. See that patch of maize there is hardly grown at all. Really struggling. And elsewhere it's really tall and lush. I'm sure this stuff grows, I don't know, centimetres every day. I wonder how fast it does grow. It's grown in no time. It's up to my waist now. I think this time last week it was down to my knees, I'm sure of it. No other way. Hear the noise as we rush past it. Oh, there's blue mahonia berries. Keep your fingers out of the way. Mahonia. That's my. No, it's not mahonia. That's Darwinia. Berberis darwinii. Yes, it's like a small leaf holly, and it has an orange flower and blue berries. What am I on about? There's some mahonia over there. See, this is mahonia. Similar berries, you see. Easy mistake. Different leaves. So that's the mahonia. And this is Berberis darwinii. With the tiny little holly shaped leaves. Spiky as well. Right then, Roman. and he's picked it up again. Look at the dogs. Look at the dogs in the maize. Paddy, drop the ball. Paddy, drop it. Good boy. Murphy, drop it. When I say Paddy drop it, doesn't mean you have to pick it up. Ready? Ready, go! Whoosh! Paddy's going to get that one. Let's see. Who's got the ball? Paddy had it, he dropped it, and now Murphy's got it. He's always a bit subservient to Murphy. He lets Murphy have the ball. More hogweed, seed. Ready? Right! So yeah, I used left and right commands. So they've gone right now because I threw it to their right. It's got to be to their left or their right when you say it. They can use their noses a bit now. They've gone in the right direction. I'm going to walk on and leave them to it. They'll catch me up in a minute. There's the old waterworks tower over there in the distance. That big tower sticking up there. Just a little walk today. Well, not a little walk, but a little film. Whee! There they go. So why is Murphy laid down there? I wonder why. Because there's a branch and he wants me to break it up in a stick to play with. Meanwhile, where's the ball? Where's the ball? Yes, can I have the ball then? Can I have the ball? Good boy. If you want to play with sticks, I'm going to throw this to Paddy. Go on, Paddy. Go on, Paddy. Oh, he's gone completely the wrong direction because he just went off without looking. Paddy. Left. Go on, help him find it, Murphy. Go and find the ball, Murph. This could take some time. Well, so we stand here waiting and watching for them to come out of the maze with the ball. Oh, I spoke too soon. They've done it. Buddy's got it, and then he gives it to Murphy. Good lads. Well, I'm going to leave it there because we're going to be cutting through somewhere else in a minute. Well, if you've seen my videos before, you'll recognise where I am. Oh, it's got windy. Quite breezy and overcast today. If you've seen my video before, you'll recognise where we are. There's the badger set. There's the waterworks tower. So I'm just coming around the corner now. There's someone else coming. Alright, mate. So, someone else with his dog on his phone. That's Nick, that is. He couldn't stop to talk because he was talking to somebody. Right, we're going to cut into the cemetery again, but I'll leave it there. Ready, boys? Wait. Wait, come here. This way. Ready? Whoosh! I just threw it over the hedge into the cemetery. I hope no one was walking past. Bye for now. See ya.